Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of my students. How are you? That's fantastic. I hope you are super great and feeling very good early in the morning, feeling fresh and energetic, right? I hope you haven't missed the most important meal of the day, your breakfast, right? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and you should not miss that, right? Because that gives you energy and that gives you boost to work and to study and to learn and to play and to do everything, right? So don't ever miss your breakfast. I hope you do not, right? That is super great, amazing, excellent. So this is our numeracy class, and I am your teacher, Miss Sadia, remember? Right? Oh, that's lovely. You remember my name. Oh, that's so cute. That's so nice. So we are learning about numbers these days, and we are counting many things, right? Are you counting things at home as well, right? Are you? Oh, that's great. Super great. It's good because like things are all around us and we are counting them, how many pair of shoes we have, how many shirts we have, how many pants do we have, how many frocks do I have in my closet. Do you count them? Oh, that's lovely. You need to count them as well, right? So if there's something which is like you're not using, you can give it away to somebody who needs it, right? Or maybe who will like it, right? That is even a good deed. Okay, that's great. So we are counting things, and that is very good. Okay, so we are going to start our numeracy class. That is great. And we are learning counting, right? We are learning about numbers and we are playing about the numbers, playing with the numbers. So remember in our last class, what we did is we learned about numbers. We showed many different numbers. Remember, like we had so many numbers and we discussed about them and we learned about them, right? We had so many of them, and yeah, see, these are all our numbers we learned about, and these are all jumbled up right now. Can you see all of them? Yeah, we can see all of the numbers here, right? These are all the numbers, right? So are we going to just revise them once again very quickly because you know most of them, right? Okay, so starting from our first number, right? One, then two. We are going to make a bunch of that, right? One, two, then we will add three. That is good. Okay. Then we have four, right? Oh my God. I hope I can hold them properly, right? Four. Then we have, yes, we have five. Then we have the six and seven, right? Seven, eight, and nine. Oh, sorry, nine. Went down. Nine. Yay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Yay. So these are the numbers which we learned about, right? Up till nine, right? So we are going to count again today different things, right? And in the same way, you are going to count things in your garden. You're going to count frames and pictures and paintings in your home. You can even count your fans. You can even count the wall clocks in your home, right? And you can make a list of that. How many are these in your home? How many flowers are in your garden? How many trees are there, right? You can count all those, right? Okay. How many cars do you have? Like there are many things you can count, right? So I'm going to share a little video with you in which the girl is counting something, right? So let's see, what is she counting? Okay, so super great. Ready? Yeah, that's great.
Hello, kids. Today I'm strolling in the park looking for some flowers. Let's count them. those are some flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. Let's look for some more flowers.
Again, look at the flowers, all of you.
Those are some flowers. 1,
Right.
2. Rolling in the park.
Look at the flowers again and count them.
Let's count them.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right?
5 flowers.
Can you see 5 flowers? Oh,
let's look for some more flowers. 1, 2, 3.
okay. Now, how many are these? Can you see them on the screen? Okay, now everybody, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, they are 10 flowers. Can you see all of them? Yeah, that's great. Again, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 flowers. Great.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 flowers.
Wow.
That is nice. We found 10 more flowers. 1,
Okay, now how many are these? Look here, under the fence, right? How many flowers? Yes, 3. Pink, yellow, and purple. There are 3 flowers, right? That is great.
2, 3. 3 more flowers. Wow, so many flowers. Let's look around more. Oh, hello. Let's look around. Wow, so
Okay, now can you count the trees here? Can you count the trees? How many on the left side and how many on the right side? Yes, come on, count. Left side, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there are 5 trees. Excellent. Okay, and can you see the sun? How many are up in the sky? Yeah, there's one sun over there. And how many clouds do you see over there? Yeah, 2 of the clouds. 2 clouds, and there is one sun, and there are 5 trees. That is great. And how many flowers? Yeah, there are 3 flowers. That is great. Okay.
many flowers. Let's look around more. Oh, hello. Thank
Can you see a bird somewhere?
you. So many.
Yeah, how many? Yeah, one blue bird. Yeah, there is a blue bird here. One blue
More
bird.
flowers.
Okay, that is great. So we counted so many things, and she went out in the park, in the garden, and she counted the flowers, and we counted trees and clouds and sun. Yeah, we counted so many other things as well. That is lovely. That is super great. Amazing. So you are going to practice that at home. Then go out in the garden, count the flowers, count the plants, count the trees, right? So that's great. So, and you can even count the birds, but then they fly away, right? So that is great. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to do some of the counting in our book. So now you are going to take out your book number 3. Yeah. You are going to take out your book number 3. Yeah, lovely. And the page number is, I will show you the page number. That is the page number 7, right? So book number 3 and page number 7. That is great. And this is the page number 7 in the book number 3, right? Which we are going to trace on. Okay. No, we're going to write. We're not going to trace on it. We're going to write. Okay. Now this says counting, right? Remember, we counted flowers, we counted trees and clouds and bird and sun, right? Did we? Yes. So now here, there is a picture of a small girl. Now look at the girl. She's so happy, right? She's a happy child. She's in her garden. And this is I think it's evening time, right? So now what you can see in the picture. Yeah, there's a girl. And what is she wearing? Yeah, a purple shirt and a yellow trousers and red shoes. Yeah, that's great. What else you can see? Yeah, you can see flowers in grass and stars. Yeah, you can see stars even. And then there's something else. Yeah, candles. Yeah, very good. Yeah, we see all of it. Yeah, now you're going to put your book flat on the table, right? Very good. And then, where's my pencil? And then the pencil. Remember, yeah, here it is. Pencil, hold the pencil properly with the two fingers and lock it with your thumb, right? Just lock it. Otherwise, this can fall down, right? When we are writing, we won't be able to write like this, right? We have to lock it down, right? So hold the pencil like this, everybody, and lock it, right? Locked. Yeah, I've locked it, right? Okay, now, yeah, your textbook on the table, flat. Sit comfortably on the chair. Hold the pencil in your hand, lock it with your thumb, and now we are going to count. Now, first of all, they say that count the stars. How many stars are there? Right? Now we are going to count them all together, right? Okay, I'll put the finger on the star and you're going to count. Come on, start from the one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. How many stars on the picture? 9. Yeah, there are 9 stars. How many stars? There are 9 stars. Okay, now all of you are going to write 9 in the first box, right? We are going to write 9 in the first box, right? Okay, now you're going to put 9, right? Starting from here, make a curve and then a straight line down, right? That's great. Make 9, starting from here, make a curve line, join and then come down. Yay, is it easy for you? Can you do that? Oh, that's great. Okay, now once again, just watch this. Circle, 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 go up and then down, right? Circle, 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 go up and then come down. Yeah, that is great. Okay, then now the next is, they say how many flowers are there, right? How many flowers are there? Now we're going to count the flowers, right? Okay, now the right side of the flowers. 1, 2, excuse me, again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, excuse me, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many flowers? We have got 8 flowers, right? We have got 8 flowers. Okay, now starting from here, we are going to, right, circle, then touch it, and then again circle and complete, right? Circle and touch it and then come down. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay, okay, one last time. Yeah, circle, 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 circle. Touch the line. Again, another circle, circle, circle. Yay. Right? Did you do that? Okay, fantastic. That is great. Okay. Now, how many candles are there? Can you see? Yay. How many candles are there? That's great. So now we're going to count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many candles? There are 7 candles, right? Now starting from here, you will go like this and then count down. That's easy, right? Go like this and then come down, right? Go like this and come down. Very good. This is number 7, right? Go like this and then come down. Very well done. Very good. Now, did you do that? How many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stars, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles, right? Okay, that is great. So hope you enjoyed writing all the numbers, right? That is super great, amazing. So we are going to count and see the video once again. Okay, so now everybody has to count. Okay, so let's start.
Hello, kids. Today I'm strolling in the park looking for some flowers. Let's count them. Oh, those are some flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. Let's look for some more flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 flowers. That is nice. We found 10 more flowers. 1, 2, 3. 3 more flowers. Wow, so many flowers. Let's look around more. Oh, hello. Oh, thank you. So many more flowers.
Yay, that is great. That is super great. I really enjoyed it. That is so amazing. Wow. So this was all about counting, right? So now what you have to do is at home, you have to do page number. You are going to do page number 8, right? When you're at home, you're going to do page number 8, in which you have to color the fish and then you have to count them. There are big fish and there are small fish, right? So you have to color the big fish red and the small fish yellow, right? Okay, and then you will just count them and write them in the boxes, right? Do you like coloring? Yes, you love coloring. So you're going to color the big fish red and the small fish yellow. Yeah, that is great. So this is what you're going to do as your homework, right? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed your lesson, right? Now we're going to see each other in the next class. Till then, see you. Bye-bye. See you soon. Stay safe and be happy, right?